When we're stressed out and in a tense situation and we're having difficulty regulating our emotions, we tend to hold our breath. So one of the simplest things you can do to reduce stress is to breathe. Triangular breathing is a simple technique that prompts you to breathe in and out over the course of a count of 3. So on 1, you're going to breathe in. On 2, you're going to hold it. And on 3, you're going to exhale. And you're going to do this at whatever pace feels most comfortable to you. So even as I count off, you can just adjust to what's comfortable. So try it with me. 1, breathe in. 2, hold it. And 3, exhale. Great. That was easy, right? Okay, the next technique I want to show you is progressive muscle relaxation. And that involves increasing your awareness of where you're holding tension in your muscles by tensing and relaxing different muscle groups throughout your body. So let's start with your forehead, face, and jaw muscles. Gently scrunch up those muscles and hold them. Now release and feel the contrast. Next, gently tense your shoulders and clench your fists and tighten your forearms. Now release. Next, tense your stomach muscles and release. And lastly, tense your quads, calves, and tense your toes and release. Notice the difference throughout your body. This is something you can practice and take more time and maybe even smaller muscle groups until you're very aware of how tension feels in your body and what it feels like to truly be relaxed. Okay, the last technique is guided imagery. You're going to allow your mind to vividly imagine a relaxing scene and scenario, and then you're going to go there in your mind. So imagine you're at the beach or in the mountains or wherever your favorite relaxing outdoor or even indoor location is. And then imagine what you're seeing around you. Take a moment to really visualize in great detail all the sights and colors and textures that you'll be seeing. And then what sounds are you hearing? Are you feeling a gentle breeze or the heat of the sun on your face? And what do you smell? Maybe even open your mouth and see what faint tastes you can perceive. Maybe the salt water or even that taste of pine. And just take a moment and take a mental vacation in all 5 of your senses.